day 30 of the 30 days painting challenge. Now at first I didn't think I would be able to complete this challenge. I thought I was probably going to be missing a few days and I wasn't able to upload every single day for 30 days straight. I honestly have learned so much in this challenge and I'm really proud of everything that I've done. Today we're going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial. As you know, I like to paint on random things like cassettes, mirrors, and today it will be a final record. I'm getting my big box of paint. Now, I've partnered up with 𝙘𝙤𝙬𝙬 for a few videos of the 30 days painting challenge. Actually only one, but they gave me a coupon code of 10% off. So if you use the coupon code Pastel1, you will get 10% off, and this will only be valid until the 20th of July. So if you still want to get some supplies, I will link everything I use down below. But if you still want to get some supplies, hurry up, because I don't want you guys to miss out on anything. I also just realized he uses very different brushes than I have. But we're gonna work with what we do, so please don't criticize me if I don't use the right tools. I'm gonna try. So I taped off the label so we can paint on it without it being damaged, because I really want to see the label at the end. Now, I also feel like doing a little tutorial here. You might get this effect. If you do, don't worry, you can just paint over it. It's always the first layer that has this little effect. You might stumble upon it, you might not stumble upon it, but you can just paint over it. Once again, the first layer on the final record is always a little different. later, you have your own Bob Ross on a vinyl record. I just wanted to say I really appreciated you guys' support throughout this challenge. It definitely was not a challenge to paint every day, but it was more to upload every day. I spend a lot of time editing, as you probably know, but I am very proud of myself for pulling this off. So yeah, I am very glad, and I hope my paintings will get better and better every day as they do now. And I highly encourage you guys to try out a 30 days challenge, or maybe even a 7 days challenge, maybe a week challenge. Just try to paint more, because I get a lot of comments saying like, hey, you inspire me so much to paint, or I really want to paint but I can't paint. Like, it's something you learn, okay? It's something that you learn along the way, so definitely paint more. If you guys want to see all the episodes of the challenge, you probably already noticed, but I made a playlist with every single day of the 30 days painting challenge. I'll link it down below and it will be in the end screen. Don't forget that my code for 10% off at any 𝙘𝙤𝙬𝙬 product will be valid until July 20th, so I will link all the products down below. If you still need some supplies, do it before the 20th of July. Thank you all so much. I will see you next week. I will be uploading every Sunday again. So this Sunday there will be a new video with a giveaway. So stay tuned and I will see you guys Sunday. I am gonna edit this now and enjoy the rest of my painting and clean my room. Bye!